The Frigidaire washer E41 error code indicates a problem with the door lock system. This error occurs when the washer's control board detects an issue with the door lock mechanism, preventing the washer from operating safely. The door lock system is designed to ensure the washer lid is securely closed during the wash cycle, preventing water from spilling out and reducing the risk of injury. When the control board detects a malfunction in the door lock system, it displays the E41 error code to alert the user of the problem. The E41 error code can be caused by a faulty door lock assembly, a damaged lid switch, or a problem with the wiring connecting the door lock to the control board. To fix the issue, first check the door lock assembly for any signs of damage or wear. Inspect the lid switch and the wiring for any damage or corrosion. If the door lock assembly is damaged, it may need to be replaced. To replace the door lock assembly, unplug the washer and remove the lid switch mounting screws. Gently pull the lid switch away from the washer and disconnect the wiring harness. Remove the old door lock assembly and install the new one, making sure it is properly secured. If the lid switch is damaged, it can be replaced separately. To replace the lid switch, unplug the washer and remove the mounting screws. Gently pull the lid switch away from the washer and disconnect the wiring harness. Remove the old lid switch and install the new one, making sure it is properly secured. After replacing the door lock assembly or lid switch, plug in the washer and run a test cycle to ensure the E41 error code is cleared. If the error code persists, check the wiring for any damage or corrosion and repair or replace it as needed. To prevent future occurrences of the E41 error code, regular maintenance is important. Check the door lock assembly and lid switch regularly for any signs of wear or damage. Make sure the washer is properly installed and leveled to prevent excessive vibration, which can cause the door lock system to malfunction. By following these steps and performing regular maintenance, you can fix the Frigidaire washer E41 error code and ensure your washer operates safely and efficiently.